Now let's create the tail pocket. Use the same technique where we fold back the paper, exposing these parts, paper to paper, with that nice bit of folded paper in between to hold the adhesive apart. Pinch the paper. Now the adhesive sticks together. Down and press. Now you've created another little duck bill with your tabs, paper backing. We're never touching the adhesive with our fingers. You have 2 holes, and we'll go ahead and push out that little bit of Tyvek so you can see the holes again. Fold your paper back until you expose the holes. And hold the adhesive away. Line up your edges, line up the holes. Bring that down, and with your thumb, a little bit of it, line up this over. Hold down the tab. Fold your paper back. Expose half of the adhesive. Fold back, tap it down, tail, tab for the spine. Burnish this down. Right. I've already made up my nose pocket tab. Doing really well. Okay, bring it down here, line it up. Seal it back. Fold it over. Fold the paper back. Paper back, right to there. Fold the tab down. Rub lightly and peel. Now we have tabs on our nose. That. We have a tail tab for the spine, and we have the tabs for our tail spreader. Next step is to form these into pockets for the spine and the tail spreader.